Hey everybody, welcome back. It is time for one of our favorite days of the month, which is myChow box delivery day. Woo!
Is there a specific day for that?
It's, it happens once a month.
Oh.
Yeah.
The
So,
one day of the month.
One day of the month that we get our myChow box delivered. I don't know if you can hear that, but Jeff is working outside and cutting something, and hopefully it's not annoying on the video audio. So this is the September myChow surprise box. So we're getting into fallish time. As far as I know, the fall flavors aren't officially out yet, so I don't think those will be in this box, but we might see some like caramel macchiato, maybe some of the savory soups.
Apple pie.
Apple pie. That would be a perfect time for apple pie.
Pistachio. It's pistachio.
Pistachio's kind of an anytime flavor, I think. So if you have never heard of Keto Chow, real quick, it is a nutritionally complete meal shake. It's just designed to make your keto life easier so you can hit your macros without having to weigh and track things so intensely. And it makes my life easier just being able to mix up a shake when I'm going out the door and have other things going on. And it's also really fun because they make all these amazing flavors. They taste so good, and they're always releasing fun new flavors and seasonal flavors, and it just brings some joy to our life. And not only that, but you can also make a lot of recipes with Keto Chow, and they have a whole ton of recipes on their website, as well as recipe cards. And in the myChow surprise boxes, you get a pack of recipe cards for the month. And so the recipe cards that are in here are going to go with the flavors that are in here. So it's just another layer of fun to your healthy lifestyle. So let's go ahead, get this open. Don't look. There's also confetti, which adds even more fun to your healthy lifestyle.
Have fun.
Yeah. You need to wear it on your head. Okay, so should we?
Wear it for the rest of the
Yeah, okay.
You have to wear it for the rest of the video?
Yes.
Okay, Renee, put it on your head. No, I already got them.
So, we're gonna reach in one by one.
Okay.
All right, let's let Charity go first.
Banana bread.
They put in a banana bread. Banana bread is a brand new flavor that they just put out.
And I like it.
It just got released, like 3 days ago, 2 or 3 days ago. So I'm amazed that this is in here. That is so cool.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, we all really liked it. We all thought it didn't really taste like banana bread, but it was really, really, really good.
Yeah.
Okay, your turn, Renee.
Put it on your head. No.
All right, your turn.
Put it on the box's head. I want this one. Caramel macchiato.
I called it. It just feels like a fall type flavor, like a hot coffee drink. Ooh, banana. Maybe if we mixed the banana and the banana bread, then it would taste like banana bread. We should try that. This is the first new packaging banana that I've gotten.
Ooh.
It's really cute.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It looks delicious. Okay, Charity, your turn.
Chocolate peanut butter.
Ooh, I haven't gotten a new package of the chocolate peanut butter either. That's so delicious looking. We've gotten a peanut butter and we've gotten a chocolate, but I don't know that I've gotten a chocolate peanut butter. Chocolate peanut butter together. It's your turn, Ray.
This one. Lemon meringue.
Ooh.
Fall-ish.
That's more summer-ish. Maybe it's like holding on to the last tastes of summer. All right, my turn. Cookies and cream. I love all of these in the new packaging. Since they're transitioning over, there's fewer and fewer in the old packaging.
Baked potato.
Ooh, I told you there'd be some soups in here. This is one of the ones that was developed by Steve from Serious Keto. Makes a delicious faux potato soup. Ready? Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We should have 2 more little ones.
We got
Ooh,
salted caramel.
That is a good one. Salted caramel.
Yep.
And last little one, I think. Strawberry cream. Another one holding on to the tastes of summer. All right, do you two want to grab the big bag?
No.
You don't?
We all do.
Y'all do.
Yeah.
Oh. I think Renee's going to be happy about that. Chocolate toffee.
Chocolate toffee.
That is one of the best flavors. One of the best.
A full bag is a heavy bag.
We are very happy right now, I'll tell you that. All right, chocolate toffee, excellent flavor. You can mix it with peanut butter or chocolate peanut butter to make like a Butterfinger flavor. You can also just throw in like a scoop of peanut butter powder if you have like PB2 into this, and it makes like a Butterfinger type flavor. And it also just stands on its own as a chocolate toffee flavor. Excellent big bag. Now it is time for the recipe cards, September 2024. And if you do not get the myChow surprise box, you can still order these. You can order whichever month you want. And all the recipes are also on the website. So if you don't want to order them, you can get them for free. Just amazing. You ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you want to go first on these ones?
Ooh, chocolate toffee walnut brownie bark.
Brownie bark. Sounds amazing. Looks amazing. And I can only imagine it uses the chocolate toffee.
Yeah. Strawberry coconut smoothie.
Ooh. And lemon snap banana pudding. Ooh. This one used banana keto chow and vanilla keto chow.
Imagine they use lemon meringue.
Yeah, I think they just use lemons. Yeah, there's like lemon zest. That looks good. All right, Renee.
Lemony lemon snap cookies.
It looks like these go together.
Lemony lemon snap
This is the banana pudding that you make with the lemony snap cookies. Yeah.
Oh.
One batch of lemon snap cookies is a great ingredient in this one.
This is it? Oh.
Have you ever had banana pudding with Nilla wafers? Yeah,
Nope.
it's a classic thing. So I think they're trying to do like, these are kind of like Nilla wafers, except they're lemony. And then this is like banana pudding.
I don't think I've ever had a Nilla wafer.
Yeah, I don't think you have. All right, last one, Trudy.
Pumpkin muffins.
That's perfect for fall. So this, definitely a really good box. I love all of the fallish flavors. There's only a couple fruity flavors, but there's a lot of like rich chocolate peanut butter, caramel macchiato, salted caramel, chocolate toffee, lots of like really nice comforting fall flavors. A lot of ones that are going to be good to drink hot, which is a great thing to do in the fall also, or in the winter when it's cold. So definitely a winner of a box. Since I heard that Keto Chow was coming out with a banana bread flavor, I have wanted to try it in the Keto Chow fudge recipe. I say the Keto Chow fudge recipe, even though there's lots of different Keto Chow fudge recipes, but to me, this is the Keto Chow fudge recipe. It's so good, and it's also super easy. Sometimes fudge can be really complicated with, candy thermometers and all of that, and oftentimes I don't want to put that much effort into it. And this recipe is super easy. I have done it a couple of times. I did it with the chocolate malt keto chow. That was really good. I also did it with pecan sticky bun keto chow, and that was really good. The original recipe actually calls for banana keto chow to make a banana fudge, which I have actually never made banana. But today we're gonna make banana bread keto chow fudge. This is one of the recipes that is available on the Keto Chow website, and it is by Chef Taffany. I will link to it down below. I wish I had one of the cute little recipe cards for it because it's one of my favorite Keto Chow recipes, but I need to go look through my recipe stack again. I don't think I have it, but I need to make 100% sure because I really would love to have it up on my little recipe card area back here. Here are all of the ingredients. We have 1 bag of Lily's white chocolate chips, of course, 1 packet of the banana bread keto chow, some heavy cream and some butter. And then the original recipe calls for vanilla, but what I'm gonna do is use banana extract instead because I didn't think the banana bread keto chow was very strong on the banana flavor. Has a very good bready flavor, pastry or like quick bread type flavor, but I think it needs a kick of banana. So the recipe calls for half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, but I'm gonna bump it up to a full teaspoon of banana extract. And then we have some topping options. Since I want my kids to eat some of this, I'm gonna put rainbow sprinkles on half of it, and then I'm gonna do some walnuts on a quarter of it, and then some pecans on the other quarter of it. I just toasted these in the oven real quick. They toast really fast, and that's gonna give me like that banana nut flavor. And I do want to taste it with the walnuts and the pecans just to see which one I like better. I mean, obviously walnuts are the classic banana bread nut, so gotta have some walnuts in there somewhere, but I also really wanted to see how the pecans were because I also do like pecans. All right, let's go ahead and get started, and you'll see how incredibly quick and easy this recipe is to throw together. We're gonna do half a cup of heavy cream, and that is 4 ounces. So I will fill to the 4 ounce mark. Little extras, okay. Then we're gonna put in our white chocolate chips, and actually the recipe calls for 8 ounces of white chocolate chips, and these bags are 9 ounces. So it's a good thing I added a little extra cream. Must have been planning really well there. Throwing that in there, and now we are going to microwave for 30-second intervals and stir after each interval until the chocolate is all melted. It only took a minute total, and now it just needs to be stirred until it's smooth. Next, we're gonna add in the Keto Chow packet. Stir that until smooth. Next is 1 ounce of butter, just the same as 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna cut it up so it melts a little bit faster. And then the teaspoon of vanilla extract, not vanilla, banana extract in place of the vanilla extract. And I love this brand, Olive Nation. I use a lot of extracts for different things in my kitchen, and the Olive Nation never disappoints. So if you're wanting to do like a banana nut fudge, you could add in the nuts at this point too and just have them mixed all the way through. That would be really delicious. But since we're just doing some with the nuts, we will have them as a topping. Just want to get this mixed until those butter chunks are all melted. Last little butter chunks don't want to melt. Next time I would start with more softened butter, not cold hard butter out of the fridge. All right, that's looking pretty good. I am gonna get this poured into my pan. I've just lined my loaf pan with parchment paper, kind of in an X or a T, the same way that I do for when I am baking a loaf of bread. Hopefully I won't regret it. I think it'll work pretty well. I got it flattened out, and now for the fun part of the toppings. Sprinkles. And I will link these sprinkles below. They are keto. It's got a like natural coloring. It's sweetened with some erythritol and stevia. We'll do some walnuts over here. Press them down in. And we'll get some pecans on here. I'm afraid my pecans are a little bit over toasted. Hopefully they won't taste bad. They're not black, they're just extra dark. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna cover this and let it set for at least 4 hours, and then we will be back for a taste test. These are my taste testers. Levi, you're filthy. What have you been doing to get you so dirty?
Get dirt in a net and put it in a bin.
You were getting dirt in a net and putting it into a bin?
Yeah.
Okay, that does sound like it would make you dirty. You ready to grab a piece? Mm-hmm. See which one you want to try first. Walnut and sprinkle. Dink it and sink it.
Dink.
Wow, you put that whole piece in your mouth at once? Impressive. I added some extra banana extract. Do you taste a banana-y flavor? No?
I do.
Oh, you do? Okay. All right, you want to taste a different kind? Renee's going for pecan. Here, scoot over, Levi. I can't see you. There you are. Oh my goodness. You put the whole thing in your mouth again? What do you think, Levi? Do you like pecan or walnut better?
Both.
Both. Okay.
I think I like this better than the sprinkles.
Oh, the walnut or pecan?
Pecan.
Wow. I made the sprinkles side because I thought you guys wouldn't want nuts. But you guys are surprising me. All right, I gotta come and try a walnut. Oh man, those walnuts are toasted to perfection. So you get like a toasty walnut flavor first. Mmm.
Oh,
The banana flavor comes at the end. Definitely the banana flavor comes at the end. But it's there. Totally there. Oh man, these are so good. I like the walnuts on there. I think the walnuts make it. I need to try the pecan one, of course, but.
I popped it all in my mouth.
Oh, again?
I think the pecan is my favorite.
Okay. You tried the walnut?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me see.
I think the sprinkles were my least favorite.
Oh, wow.
I don't like the sprinkles.
You don't like the sprinkles?
But I like the nuts.
Okay, I'm gonna try the pecan.
Isn't that one so good?
It is good. Those nuts are perfect on there. All right, this is definitely a winner. Ooh, it's so good.
Which one is?
And it's not just banana. It definitely has that banana bread taste to it.
Which one is your favorite?
I think I'm gonna go for the walnuts for my favorite.
Walnuts.
They're just so buttery and toasty. The pecans aren't burnt though. I was worried that they'd be burnt. They're not. All right. This is it. This is the recipe you need to make with the banana bread keto chow.
I like the nuts.
The walnuts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like those.
Oh man, those are good, good, good. So how many thumbs up, Levi?
A Google Plex.
Okay. How many thumbs up, Renee?
The sprinkles are probably a 3. Walnut, maybe a 6, and the pecan, an 8.
Out of 10? All right.
And then 0. Definitely make it
0. Okay.
0, and it says 1,000.
1,000. And then the walnut was
Google Plex.
the Googleplex one. Okay.
You should definitely make the pecan ones.
Yeah.
And
Definitely.
everyone who's watching. And the nuts.
Okay.